Ndewo no Amaka kedu?
Adịmma.
Ndewo kedu ka ị mere? Kedu ka ụbọchị gị siri gaa tata? Ụbọchị wu ede. Kedu ka ụbọchị siri gaa tata?
Um,
Ụbọchị means a day.
how was
Like
my day?
I
Yeah.
remember like when I say how are you? You say, oh, I'm fine. So kedu adị m
Um,
mma.
Eme
Okay.
ọfụma.
Ụbọchị m gara ọfụma, meaning my day went well. Ụbọchị m gara ọfụma, right? So my day went well.
Ụbọchị
Ụbọchị m
ụbọchị m
gara,
gara ọfụma.
yeah. And you can also say ụbọchị m gara nke ọma. So they mean the sentence.
Ọfụma.
Yeah. Aṅụrị kedu?
Ọ dị mma.
Okay. So the correct way to say I'm fine is ah. That R represents you, aṅụrị. So if you say oh, then it means, for example, when I say aṅụrị kedu ka mama gị mere? Aṅụrị kedu ka mama means mother. If I say aṅụrị kedu ka school, like if I say how is your school? How is your day? How is your dog? How is your sister? So that's when you say oh, then but when somebody asks you, it's a direct question. And it's you and that person there. So, and that person I say, how are you? You guys say, I'm fine. So that I am fine is the letter R, the alphabet, add the mama. Say that. So,
Adịdị
yeah, add the mama because it's a direct question. I'm looking at you and I ask you that question. But when you say or represents another thing or another person. And then the or is a pronoun. And that or pronoun represents he, she, and it. So he, she, it. That's all. So whenever you say, people say it all the time. Even people, Igbo people that speaks very well, fluently, they sometimes they make mistake of saying all them, but grammatically it's not correct. All represent he or she or it. Oh, actually, keduka, nketa, we say, how is your dog? Oh, it's fine. Or how is your sibling? How is your brother? Oh, he's fine. All the ma, that's the same letter or is a O with a dot underneath it. That represents both he, she, and it. Okay? So that's how it goes. All right, today we're going to do verbs. So we're going to do verbs. I'm going to share a page. I believe Chidera and Dr. Eje will still calling. So let me share. I bet before I can do that, let's go over Crystal's homework. So Crystal put it. I listen to your recording and you're gonna read it again because there are things I want to correct. So let me share a page with you guys. Okay, here is Crystal's homework. This is Amaka's homework. Okay, so Amaka, you do okay, go ahead, Amaka, go yeah. Read the English part and read the Igbo part, how you put it.
Okay. So I use the verb to come, ibia,
Mhm.
and then I put she came, all biara.
Which is in the past. So this is the past tense. And Amaka did it very well. She conjugated it well. Obiara, anything in the past. So Angol, if you look at this to come, the meaning of the verb is ebia. Now, this A, the I here, this I is, okay, so that's the infinitive, okay? Now, the bia, B-I-A, is the verb root. Yeah, so for example, let me type it here now. The way Christy did it. So abia is to come, means to come. So when you say abia, now this I here in parentheses is the infinitive. Now, the BIA is the verb root. So always know that. And when you're conjugating a verb, you get rid of the infinitive, which is the I, A. Okay, when you get rid of it, pin the past tense. The only thing Crystal added here is RA. When she conjugated it, when it's a past tense. Okay, she came, I came, you came. So she added RA. So she's gonna add RA to make it a past tense. You see that?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so she got rid of that infinitive and then used the verb root to make it a past tense by adding RA there. That's basically what she did. Okay, so now, Crystal, the second one, she is coming. What did you say in Igbo?
I said Ona Abia.
Ona bia. There you go. Ona bia. That or remember what I said about the letter or represent he, she, it. So you see here, she said she is coming. So Crystal, if you had said it is coming, what will you still put there?
Ona Abia.
Yeah, you still say oh. Even if you say he is coming, you still use the letter oh. So pay attention to that. That's the pronouns. Okay. So now Crystal said here, and then actually the reason she is coming, this is present, something happening now. Anything happening now, then you're going to use now. You see that? If you say Angole is coming, you say Angole na abia. Crystal and the Angole are coming. It's still something happening now. You're still going to say now. You have to use the word na, N-A. That's present. What is happening now? Now, see how she did the future tense, something that will still happen. It hasn't happened. So we're going to, let's leave the did not come, leave that one. Let's do the future one. So, Chris, you say you will not come. And how did you conjugate it? Can you read the Igbo part?
Igagi Abia.
Abia. Egage abia. So, Angole, the reason Chris put a pronouns means you. That's what it is. So the you, the pronoun in Igbo is a. So that's what you use. For example, if I'm looking at Crystal now, and then it's a direct thing because I'm looking at Crystal. I say, Crystal, you will not come. You will not come. Even if I say, Crystal, you will come, that you means a. That's what it is. So I will send you the pronouns list so that you know what they are. I know you were not here when we did it. So egage, anything in the negative, you put gage. Let me see. Are they here? No, that one. So you put gage. Egage abia. So what you're gonna put is GHI. It's what makes it negative. The word, the letter, so GH, they are together. I is separate. So anything you see GHI, it means it's in negation. When something is in the negative, like when she said, you will not come. So this GHI there puts it in the negative. Now coming to the one she said, they did not come. Huh? Okay, Crystal, that's the one I want to correct. Now, they did not come. What did you read? What you wrote?
Ha Anagi Abia.
No, Hanage Abia. They did not come. Remember, Hanage Abia, if you had said they are not coming, that's what is going to be Hanage Abia. But this is already in the past. They did not come. Ha Abiage. So your answer, let's do it here. Your answer, they did not come, would have been, okay, it's supposed to be, let's do it, okay. They did not come. So what it will be? Ha abia re. So, this one in parentheses is what makes it. Let me make sure you see it. So the one in parentheses is what makes it negative. See, GHI, anytime you're doing it, you have to put it. So, but I'm going to remove it so you will understand. They did not come. Ha abiage. So Christo is past tense already. But you put it here in the present. Ha anage abia. Ha anage abia means they are not coming. So we're going to put that one too. Ha anage abia means they are not coming. So let's do that one. Ha anage abia.
Sorry,
Enwere m ajụjụ.
ajụjụ.
No, one moment. They are not coming. That it means ha anaghị. Okay, no. They are not okay. Ha anaghị abịa. You see that? That's the difference. Ha anaghị abịa. But the other one is in the past. It should be ha abịaghị. Okay, Crystal, go ahead.
Since the first one's in the past, do we not add RA to the end of the
Okay. Ha anaghị. Remember, what you're focusing on is the negative side of it. Ha anaghị abịa. I say they. Okay. Ha abịaghị. Okay. I see what you're saying. Ha abịaghị. So you cannot have R A there because you're trying to put it in the past. If you have said, okay, okay, they went, they came, ha bịara, ha jere, ha gara. But now the negation here took care of it. You see that the negative, they did not come. Ha bịaghị. That's it. You won't see anytime it's the past tense is in the negative. You won't see that R-A, R-I, R-E. So pay attention to that. But if it's not the negative part of it, then you will see it. So make a note there. Anytime you have it in the negative, you won't see that R-A, R-I, R-E, R-U. No. But if it's in the negative, it's simply ha abịaghị. They did not come. Ha abịaghị. They are not coming. Ha anaghị abịa because you put it in the present. So is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Aṅụrị, ịghọtara ya? Now, feel free to ask questions because that's why we're having this class. You're here to learn, okay? So far, tell me your confusion or what you understood so far.
For my question is for the infinitive, how it's bira. Is it why did you put the A in front of, like, where does the A come from?
Okay, that A represents, like, if I'm talking about you now, Angole, you came. A biara. That A. Forget about, so you came, that A is you. The letter A is you. A biara. Now, if you can remember that person, that's why we have RA. See the RA here. Now, if I say Angole is coming. Okay. If I say Angole, let me write it up here because I want to make sure. Okay. When I say you are coming, that's you. What letter do I say you use to represent you? The pronoun.
A.
No, the A. The A,
I.
yes. Yeah, A biara. So now this you are coming means A, this letter A, which is the I, okay? A na. The na is when you're putting something in the present or present continuous, you see that? You have to use NA. You are coming. Ena, abia. Now, you got rid of the infinitive. You got to remember to come is abia. But when you're conjugating it now, remember we are talking about you. That that you're going to replace when you remove the a, the infinitive verb, and take the verb root. That ena, abia. That before bia represents you.
Okay.
Now, let me do another one because I want you to know what we are doing. So this A here is you. This A there, A is you. Now, if I say they are, okay, if I say we will come. We means Anyi. Anyi means we. That's the pronoun. Now, this is how you're going to say we means Anyi, and this is it. Anyi. Remember what I told you that you can use for future. If you look at what Christo did, Christo said, the will, that's something that will happen. Ga. You use ga for future sentence. Anyi ga. Now, the a that will be before Pia represent who? We. Okay, I want to make sure you're following. So, anyị ga bịa. So, only this here represent we. And then that there represents you, the person saying you are coming. That anyị ga bịa. But if it's the past tense, you don't put it. From what happened?
I think you cut out.
Oh, I'm the one that cut. I'm so sorry. Okay. Okay. So I want to make sure. Let me see. Let me reshare. Can you still see the page I'm sharing? No? Can you still see the page? Okay. Can you all hear me? Can you guys hear me? Can you all hear me?
Yes.
You can hear me, right? Angela, can you hear me? Okay. All right. So I was saying that you see this sentence now. They did not come. Ha abiage. Looking at this a that I separated, this a represent there. That's why you need to have that a in front of there, okay? But remember, you got rid of the infinitive, okay? And you took the verb root. So when you're conjugating it, the only time you're not going to put anything in front of the verb root is if it is a past tense. You're making the sentence in the past. Then all you need to add is two letters in front. If the word ended in U-R or R-U, then you add another R-U. If it ended with R-A, you will add R-A. If the word ended with R-I, you add R-I, if it's past tense. Okay? Now, but we are talking about you coming. A is you. Now, is to denote that present. Abia, the A before the verb root is also representing you that we are talking about, that you are coming. Now, see the one we say, we will come. We will come. Now, we is Ani, that's the pronoun. Ani means we. Ga. Ga is what you put if you're making a sentence in future. If it's a future sentence, you use ga. Okay? Now, you see, I separated this a from the verb root. That a also is also talking about the people coming. We. This a represent us, which is Anye. Okay? Abia. So, but I'm going to remove it. I just want to use it to explain something. So, tell me, did you understand what we said?
Yeah.
You did. Okay, for example, now let me make a simple sentence. I want you to tell me. Let me say now. At least you know that all represent he, she, it. If I say now, he is coming, I want Angoli to tell me what to say there. From what we did already, Angoli, what would you say? He is
Oh,
coming. Good.
na,
Oh,
naabia.
oh, Nabia. Good. You got it. Okay. Oh, Nabia. Now, if I say, you know that there means ha. Okay, let me use we. You know that we is Anye. We came. This is past tense. So remember what I said about past tense. We say we came. What will you say there?
Ani biara.
Anye
Biara.
biara. Chabangale. Anye biara. Okay. At least you got it. Okay, we're gonna move forward. Good job, Angela. You picked fast. Okay. Um, okay, Crystal. There's not, let me delete this so that we have a room for that. Okay, say nye, right? Nye. Okay, inya is to give. Now let me see your sentence. Go ahead and read what you put there.
You all will give food.
Okay.
Unu niile ga-enye nri.
Good. Unu niile ga. So I'm going to see the future sentence, right? And then she used ga. Okay, so you always, and unu niile means you all. From her sentence, now you can know, pick up now. You all means unu niile, that's the pronoun. Yeah, that is pronoun. And I will still post it once we finish to help you. I will also post the pronouns to help you out since we are not here. Okay, Amaka, go ahead. This one, we are not given.
Anyị anaghị enye.
Good. Anyana. To give something means inye. And then when you say we gave her, okay, so I just want, that one is past tense, but let's see this one. To tell. Ewa. Okay, Amaka. I am not telling. How did you say that?
Anaghị m agwa.
Okay. Okay, I see, because I thought that you wrote, so you canceled this one,
Oh,
right?
I was trying
Okay,
to
anagim. Okay, anagim agwa. So don't forget, Angolo, we said when you're putting something in the past, you see GHI. That's what you use to make something negative. Okay, if you're telling Amaka, how will you say it? Remove it from negative, Amaka. I am telling. Make a sentence in Igbo.
Nam agwa.
Anam agwa. Angolo, did you see that?
Say it one more time.
She said, I am telling. So instead of, yeah, Anamagwa, here, she said, I am not telling. And she said, Anagem Agwa. Okay. Now I told her to remove it from negative and make it positive sentence. And she said, I am telling. And she said, Anam Agwa. Now let me tell you why let's write it. I am telling. Whenever you're saying something about yourself, it's anything about yourself it's a possession, it's possessive. Okay. I want you to know the reason we put M there. I am telling Miss Anam, that A represents you. I'm going to separate it to help you. Okay, understand that the R is for you, but you can write it together. But right now, I'm going to put it separate. Anam. Now, did you see M? You see M there? Anam agwa. Okay, so Angole, that M. Did you see the M? Anam after NA, right? It's because you are the one saying you are doing something. So anytime you're saying something about yourself, that is possessive. Anam agwa. That's why the me is, okay, you, something that's possessive. For example, we're going to say, my mother or my father. Let's say my mom. Okay. My mom is mama because it's yours, something that is yours. You're going to say mom. You put that M. My, anything that is yours, possessive, you put the M. But see, in English, mine is first. In Igbo, mine is last. So you put my mom, okay, the subject, or the noun comes before whatever that you're going to say, that pronouns. Okay? All the pronouns comes last whenever you're conjugating it. Okay. All right, Christy, you did a good job. I think it was only just one. Okay, he is telling Ona, we're good. She told them, Ogwaraha. That is good, Christy. I'm glad that you did. At least you picked them to do yourself. All right, so I'm going to ajụjụ. Ajụjụ means question. Do you have any question?
No, that makes sense.
Okay. Good. I will post it. I'll post Crystal's correction, but she got almost all of them right. Okay, so let me save it and we'll move on to the ones that I picked for us to do. And we'll give you opportunity to conjugate some angle. Because I think you're really doing very well. Crystal, you're really upgrading. And I'm so happy. You're doing very, very, very well. So we're going to do some interaction as well. Okay, let me save it. I'm trying to save it. Okay. All right, so I'm going to stop sharing and share another one. Okay, so okay, so this is what we're gonna do today. That's this one. That's not it. I'm going to share another one. Share. Okay. Just put it together. I don't know where I put it anymore. Okay, here's it. Okay, so we're going to do this today. If you watch, can you see? You all can see it, right? Is it bold enough?
Yes.
Okay. To sleep. Ihi ora. Ihi ora. Ora is sleep. Ihi ora. Okay. Some people say eraho ora. Okay, so I will put two of them. Era ho ora. So depending on your dialect. Era ora. Okay. Now, era horo ora, you slept. Ihiri ora. Now, remember when I said, depending on how the word ended, okay? If the word ended with RA, if it's in the past, you're going to add RA. If it ended with RI, that's what you do. If it ended with RU, that's what you're going to do. Now, to sleep, ihi ora, mobu eraho, ora. You slept is past tense, right? Erahoro, ora. Ihiri, ora. I will write both of them. Let me put this one up. Okay. You slept. Okay. Erahoro, ora means you slept. If you say, trying to, let me put the English first before Igbo. Come on. Got it. So we're going to say, you slept means erahoro or ihiri ora. Erahoro. You see, we added, watch this. What we added, I'm going to remove it from. And mind you, that erahoro is not that we are not returning the infinitive. It's just the way it's supposed to go. Ihiri. Remember, sorry, this is mistake. You slept. That A, let me show you. I separated it. The A is you. We didn't carry the infinitive verb. We just, see, the A is you. Slept. Rahoro. So The only thing left here is verb root, which is RA, right? That's RA. Erahoro or eraho. Wait, it's supposed to be together. Erahoro. Eraho. Pay attention again. Erahora. Okay? The one we are conjugating is IRAHU. That's the one. The one at the end is just the connection of it. Okay? So normally we're supposed to have it with a hyphen and then this one. We will do both of them. So you slept. Erahoro. What did we add? We added RU. So I highlighted it. So we added RU. Okay, so now let me remove. I want you to know what we are conjugating here. What we are removing, what we are putting. Okay, so now erahoro, ora, I bolded the RU so that you know we added it. If you say, ihiri, okay, you slept also, it means the A is you. Don't forget. Now we are doing the other way of saying it. IHI, okay? Hiri. You see that? Hiri. Ora. Did you see that? What did we add to this one, Preston? What did we add?
RI.
RI. See? So remember when I said if the word ended with I or R or something, that's what you do. If it's RU, that's what you add. If it's RA, you add RA. If it's RE, you have the vowel has to rhyme.
Something that will not stand. It's something actually in
Who
the
is that?
United States.
Is that your uncle? Is it your neighbor? I know you're in school. Is everything okay?
Yeah, my friend was streaming her thing on my TV.
It's okay. It's all right. Okay. Okay, so now I want to know, do you all have a question before we move forward? I want to make sure you are comprehending. Did you all get it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Ihiri, ora. So don't worry about that ora thing. The one I want you to pay attention is erahoro, ihiri. Okay. Now, let's do the present. Okay. Let's use there. They will sleep. Okay. They will sleep. Amaka, I want you. Okay, Amore, I want you to try.
Iri ora.
No, they means okay. Good. Ha.
Hiri
No, it cannot be here. Remember, this is future. Remember, I told you this is what you're paying attention to. Well, what word do I say you use for future tense?
Zika.
Good. Haga. Good. See, something will be there now. When it comes to this one, haga, you use a sound. Let me help you because this is your first time. Haga. Arahu. Haga. Arahu. Because it's not past tense. You can't, it's a haga. Ara. Ho. Ora. You know the, okay. Haga. Arahu. Remember, it's era. Hora. Remember, you're going to get rid of the definitive verb, right? And then, and I told you, anytime you're talking about whether it's singular or plural, you use a depending on the vowel harmony. So what you added is a. This is what you added. You added this a before the RA, before the verb root. You see that? So when it's present, future, you need to add a letter in front of the verb root when you get rid of the infinitive. Always remember that. Christy, you okay with it, right? Okay, good. So you added a. Now we're going to do something went, so you know that one is different. Okay. They went. We're going to say that. They went. This is outside what we are doing. They went. Christy, what would you say?
Ha Jerry.
Ha Jerry. So Angela, if you pay attention now, you see how she did it. When it comes to past tense went, you have two ways of saying it. Jere or gara. Okay? Let me see. Let me put it up here for you. I don't want you to go. So when you say went, we have two ways of saying went. Jere, or you can say gara. That's past tense. That's how you say went, jere, gara. Now, when you say they went, you can either say ha jere, or you can say ha gara. The reason is this: you can't miss vowels. You see, if it's E, all the vowels there should be E. We have 8 vowels, which I will also send out for you to see. We have 8 vowels, and you cannot miss, you can't put E here and put A here. You can't put A here and put E here. It has to rhyme. Now, when you say ha jere, Christus said ha jere. Good. You can also say ha gara. So that's how it goes. Now, when you're trying to make a sentence, and except Igbo names, that's the exception. Because Igbo names, we have you can have 2 different words or 3 different words in Igbo name, except like some names that will start with double letter in the beginning. For example, Nneka. See, Nneka. See that? So Ne is mother. N-N-E is mother. Okay, so, and then when you say Chukwu Emeka, Chukwu is God. Emeka has done it. You see that? So sometimes you see vowel clashing there because these are 2 different words put together or 3 different words. So, but when it comes to Igbo words, the vowels, they have to rhyme. Okay, we cannot mix vowels. Yeah. So, but you get there. Don't worry, you get it. I just want to use this one to give you an example. Okay, so did we get this part? Because we're going to do another one. Now, if we say to run, eba also. To run is eba also. That's another word that you have another word joined to it. Eba also. I run every morning. You want to try that one, Angele? If you're comfortable, go ahead and do it. If you don't get it, good. We will correct you. Just try. I run. Eba also is to run. Now, when you're conjugating it, remember, it's I run every morning. So you're going to remove something.
Is it ana aba also?
Anam abo, yeah. Anam abo so morning means ụtụtụ. Anam agba ọsọ n'ụtụtụ niile. Ana m agba ọsọ ụtụtụ niile. Let me write it for you. Ana m agba ọsọ. You will do very well in the Igbo language, Angole. You're doing very well, like Christian. Ana m agba ọsọ ụtụtụ niile. Niile means every, just like you all. Ana m agba ọsọ ụtụtụ niile means every morning. That's how you say it. Ana m agba ọsọ ụtụtụ niile. Okay, good. You did a good job, Crystal. Now, I ran yesterday. No, let me let Angela do that. This is past tense. Now, remember what we said.
Is this bara also.
Now, because it's you saying it, there's a letter missing. What letter did I say you have to put for possession? Possessive.
The M.
Now repeat your sentence.
Abara
Abaram. Abaram.
oh after, yeah. Abaram also.
Abaram also. Job. Abaram also. Yeah. Now, Christy, you do the last one. Remember what I said, Neil, how I did it. So I repeated it here to see if you'll be able to get it. I will run every evening.
Agam.
Good.
Agam also. Mgbede. Niile.
Yes. Agam agba ọsọ mgbede niile. So aṅụrụ mgbede means evening. Mgbede niile. Agam agba. And this one, you all don't even need to write because I'm going to send the class note to you. So you don't have to write everything because I will post it the way it is. Yeah, unless you want to write something down to remind yourself of something. But other than that, this will be posted annually. We always post class notes. And then the recording, you guys also will have access to it. Okay, good job. Now to read. Let's see how you're gonna do it. Ego. You will read. They will read. We all will not read today. Now, Angela, which one will you do? You will read.
You
Do
will
the
read.
first one.
Is it?
They mean you. No, you will read. You know what? Let me remove you. At least you know the pronoun you. Let me say, let me say, we. Okay, you all will read. You all means unu niile aṅụrị. You all means unu niile. Unu niile.
Unu niile. Is it unu niile? Niguru.
Okay, now what do you use for? What do you put for future?
Oh, the ga.
Now go ahead and start it again. Unu niile.
Unu niile ga guru.
Okay. Now remember what I said. You're going to get rid of the infinitive. So you will get rid of it. And what will you add in front of it?
Isn't that the ga?
You put the ga, but you're about to conjugate read.
Is that the M?
It can be M. You say, remember when you did the one up here? You added something. How were you able to get it? Remember, Eba also. And you did the first one, right? Anam aboso, right?
Oh,
What did you add in front of the verb root? You added a.
Okay.
So you see, you took out the infinitive verb and then added something in front of it. So in this one, to read, you all will read. Unu niile ga. What will you put in front of the verb root? VU.
The A.
Now say it now. Unu niile ga.
Unu niile ga aguru.
No, you don't. It's not past tense. Don't add extra. Unu niile ga.
Agu.
Ago, unu niile ga. We see that. So you don't add extra because it's not past tense. If it's past tense, that's when you add something. And we have it here. Okay. So, Christy, this is the red. Okay. Let Christy. So you see how Christy will do it.
Haguru.
Haguru. Did you see that, Angole?
Yeah.
Because it's past tense. So you don't add you don't add anything. You just add something after the verb root. You see that? Haguru. goro. So basically, what you added ru because the word is in you. Okay. Now I'm going to do the last one. We all will not read today. It's in the past and it's negative. And I told you, negative is always, if you're doing something in negative is always GHI. So you're going to do this GHI. It's negative. Let me put it here. This is negative. When you're doing something negation, negative. Okay, so anything GHI is negative. So I'm gonna how will you do it? There, we all will not read today. Today means car. So I give you that one because you don't know it yet. It's, some people say tata. Today means tata. Now we all, how will you start it?
I forgot what we all is.
Okay, we is anyị.
Ani. Oh yeah, Ani.
Anyị niile. All, anytime say you all, unu niile, anyị niile. We all is anyị niile.
Ani nile. Ag agugi.
You're missing this. Agaghị, anyị niile. Agaghị. So what it is this. Ga is future, right? Now, when remember when it's negative, you're going to add a here for we all, right? Now you add the negative now. You see that?
Agagi.
That's basically what you're doing. You have to remember to add a for we all and then ga for future. Now GH for negative part of it. You see that? Anyị niile agaghị agụ. Ta. Ta means today. Some people say tata. You can say ta or tata, depending on your, find out from your mom what you guys say, whether it's tata or ta. But at least you know they are the same thing. So this is exactly what we do. We all, anyị niile means we all, right? We're not. So before you put ga, you have to use a to represent we all. That's why I put this hyphen. But that's not how you're going to write it. I just did it to help you to explain, okay? Naga for will, then the negative, gage. Anyị niile agaghị agụ taa. Did you understand it? I want to make sure it made sense to you, okay? Okay. So we did this. To drink. Engo. Okay. To drink. Engo. Let's do more negative because I want Angelo to be comfortable. Crystal, I know you got it already. Okay. To drink. He did not drink today. Okay, Angelo, you will do it. At least you know the meaning of today. She did not drink today. And we will drink tomorrow. Christy, you will do that one. And there are, okay. Let me just say, I am drinking. I am drinking. Angelo will do that one. Okay. So she did. I am drinking. We'll also do I am not drinking. Okay. Let's say they are not drinking. Okay. She did not drink today. I made a mistake. She did not drink today. I'm going to go ahead. Just try. What is she? What is the letter for she?
Oh.
Oh. Okay. Remember how I corrected Crystal's? Okay, let me do that one because this is really tricky. Or she did not. It is in the past. Ongoge. Don't forget, this one is a little tricky. Don't worry about putting arrow something or once it's did. When you see did not, it is in the negative. This is not the one you're going to add re. Once she did not drink today. Ongoge. Okay, ongoge ta, okay? Ongoge. Ongoge. So you're going to, this N should be ongoge. We need to have hyphen on top of it. Okay, it's gonna be ongoge. So ongoge, don't forget, GHI is what? Putting it in the negative, okay? She is ongoge, drink, okay? Ongoge. Okay, ta. Now, if you say, she did not drink, let's add water there. I want you to know the meaning of water. She did not drink water today. Ongoge miri cha. Miri means water. Ongoge miri cha. So that's how you put it. Ongoge miri cha. Miri means water, angore. Yeah, ongoge. If we just stop, she did not drink. Ongoge. Ongoge miri cha. Okay. Okay, we will drink tomorrow. Okay, Crystal, do that one. The other one, Angry will do it.
Anyị ga-agụ, oh no. Anyị ga-anụ echi.
Okay, let me put water there. Okay, to make it more authentic. Okay, go ahead again, Crystal.
Anyị ga-anụ mmiri echi.
Good. Anyị ga-aṅụ mmiri echi. So, Angry, tomorrow means echi. See, it's a matter of putting things together. Once you know the words, you should be able to put them together. Anyị ga-aṅụ mmiri echi. Anyị ga-aṅụ mmiri echi. Now, I am drinking water. Aṅụrị, your turn.
Ana anu angu.
Anam. Then remember, it's you. That M will be there now. Remember?
Anam.
Anam. Sometimes you can put it together. Sometimes you can separate, but let's separate it. It's okay either way. Anam angu. Anam angu mmiri. Good. Anam. Can you say the sentence? Anam angu mmiri.
Anam angu mmiri.
Anam angu.
Anam angu mmiri.
Yes. So mmiri, because we have double letter there. The first M, you close your mouth to sound it. Mmiri. See that?
Mmiri.
Yes. So anam angu mmiri. Anam angu mmiri. Just like it.
Anam angu mmiri.
Good. Okay, Kristen. Your turn. They are not drinking water. They are not drinking water.
Ha
Go ahead.
anaghị anụ mmiri.
Also, say it again. Go yours.
Ha anaghị anụ mmiri.
Good. You got it. Anage. So, Angela, don't forget this A first. Ha is there. Are not, okay? That A, this A you see here after her is representing the people you're talking about, right? If it's you, it's representing you. If it's others, it's represent. So you put a na. See? Ha anage. So I want you to know why you have the A before nage. Ha anage is the negation there. So don't forget GHI. Okay? Ha anage. And the reason you have na is something happening now. Don't forget that this NA is when you are making a sentence in the present or present continuous, okay? So don't forget, I just put this dash to help you to know what they stand for. The ha is there. A is also referring to there. Na is when something is in the present. GHI is negative. If Christus say they are drinking, Christus, how will you say they are drinking?
Ana and anu.
Hana and so the negative will not be there. So pay attention to that. Good job. All right. So let me give you guys chance because I will give you. Okay, let's do one more. The rest you will do it. The rest you will go home and conjugate. So let's do to fix. Imezi. Okay, to fix imezi when you're fixing something, okay? To fix imezi. When you say to fix something, she is fixing my bag. Okay, let's do that. She is fixing. Okay, let me say, fix my bag. Fix my bag. She, you will fix my bag. They are fixing their bag. Chris, I would like you to do that one. That the last they are fixing their bag. Let me see how you're going to do it. Okay, fix my bag. This I will do, okay? I will put the past tense too. We fixed their bags. Their bag. We fixed their bags. Okay. And remember, there's no such a thing as plural X in Igbo, but that's how just singular thing is going to represent it. Okay, fix my bag. Mezier. Now we got rid of the I. Don't forget. Then you take this one. Mezier. Okay. Some people will say mezierem. We have two ways of saying it. So that's why I'm taking this one. Mezier, we throw away the I. Okay. Mezier. Okay. Mezier. You know why we have E at the end? Because it has to rhyme with the vowel. You can't have A. Some people say mezier. No, when you put it there, because we have E here, it won't rhyme. So it has to be E. That's when we say vowel harmony. That's what we're talking about, Angole. The vowel harmony. We have 8 vowels. Okay, but that's okay. I will still send it out. And when I send it out to go over it, it's because we are not in the class when we did it. So if you have a question about the vowels, feel free to ask me, okay, Angole?
Okay.
Because, yeah, I will send out the vowels and then next week we will still go over, okay? Mezier. Okay. Now we're going to have E. Mezier. Okay. Fix my bag. Mezier apam. Apam means bag. Apam means bag. Okay. You see what I said? The subject, the object, the pronoun comes before, noun comes before the pronouns. You see, mine comes last, just like you say my mom. Then you say my mom. My dad. Papam. So papa, then mine. So that's how you do it. Okay. Mezie akpam. Now you can also say mezierem. Mezie. Depending on how your people, your dialect, how your people say it. Mezierem akpam. Mezierem akpam. But the more central one is mezie akpam, fix my bag. So I don't want to throw you off. Because you may think that this is past tense. No. When you say she fixed my bag, for example, she fixed my bag. This is how you're going to say it. But let me see if Crystal will get it. She fixed my bag. She fixed my bag.
Oh, meziri.
Yeah. Omeziri. I see Omeziri. And actually, you know why RI ended it? Because it's the past tense, right?
Yeah.
Omeziri. Akpam. Good job, Crystal. Wow. I didn't know you get it. Omeziri. Akpam. So you see, the reason I wanted to do it is I want you to know that the first one, fix my bag. Mezierem, it's just the dialect, how people say it's not in the past, it's not past tense. This is the past tense here. He fixed my bag. O meziri apam. You will fix my bag. Angole, you'll be the one to do it.
Ega ameziri akbam.
Don't say meziri because.
Ameze.
Okay, ega. Okay, Koyozo, say it again. Ega.
Ega ameze akbam.
Emezi. Ha. Ị ga-emezi akpa m kwa ya. Okay. Good job, Anwale. Good. Ị ga-emezi akpa m. Okay, Crystal. They are
Hana.
fixing their bags.
Hana emezi akpa ha.
Yeah. Ha na-emezi akpa ha. If Anwale, did you see that? Both of them, there and there. Ha represent there, theirs. Okay? Ha, the word ha, which is Igbo pronoun, represents there, and theirs. Okay, don't forget. But I will send the pronouns out, you get it. Ha na emezi akpa. Ha. So you have two has. Because we have there and there. Okay. Is it clear to you? Okay. Okay. We fixed their bags. I want you to try that one.
This Ani.
No. We. Yes. Ani.
Ani.
Now this is past tense. No, this is past tense. We fixed.
Meziri.
Yes. Ani meziri.
Akba'a.
Abaha. Oh boy. You two are awesome. This is wonderful. Okay, so I'm not worried. Now, your homework. You will just try. You're going to conjugate it present, future, past tense. So each of them, each verb, you will have it in the present, the future, and past tense. So I'm going to send it out to speak. Okay? To watch, no, I don't want to. Eso. To watch Claude. Eso aqua. I think I put 2 there. I don't know why. To speak is equal. I need to put this one. Let me take this one out. I know I have 2 of them there. Yeah, let me take to speak out. Okay, to wash clothes. To wash is eso, but clothes is aqua. To wash clothes is aqua, but to wash eso. All right. Some people say esa. So I will say eso, more esa, whichever you can pick one and do, or you can do both. Eso, more esa. You can say eso aqua to wash clothes. Okay, you can also esa aka to wash hands. So that's why I put esa. Esa goes with the hand. Some people say esa aqua. Some people say eso aqua to wash clothes. So depending on your dialect. So I have two of them. You can pick one and do, or you can do two of them. Equal, auto. Okay, equally auto. Some people say equally auto. Equally auto maọbụ equal auto. But let's equal auto to stand. Let's just remove equally auto. Let's use one. Now, the other one is to stay in order. To stay in order. Okay? Equal auto is to stand. Equal auto to stand. In order to stay. In order to stay. To study. Emo. Emo. Okay? Just to learn something. Okay? To take something. Iwere. Something means in here. To take. Iwere. But I added in here there. I want you to make, I took something. Or I took her pen. It's up to you. I took her paper. I took her book. But if you say, I took something from Amaka, ewerem ihe n'aka Amaka. So I took something, ewerem ihe. Iwere is to take. If you want to limit it to iwere, it's up to you. If you want to add something, it's up to you. But what I want to see, present, future, past tense. To teach, ikuzi, just pick what I will say here. I don't want to give you too much. Pick 5 from the list of the verb. Pick 5 of them and then conjugate them because it's going to be 15, right? Yeah, it's going to be 15. Each of them will have 3, each 3. So just do only 5. If you have time, you can do more. If not, just pick 5 from the list of them here. Think of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Just pick only 5 and do 5. All right. Onwere onye nwere ajụjụ. Ajụjụ means question. So if you have a question now, feel free to ask. Aṅụrị nwekwa ajụjụ jụọ m o. Aṅụrị nwere ajụjụ. So the reason we are doing an hour 30 minutes today is because we missed last week. We did an hour 30 minutes so that to compensate for the week that we missed. That's right. So I know you always say, I thought we were supposed to end 9:30. No. Because we have to really at least close the gap. All right. So aṅụrị ịghọtara ya kwa ya? Aṅụrị gịnị we ịghọtara ya? Ịghọtara ya means did you understand it?
Yes.
Okay. So mama gị ọ na-asụrụ gị Igbo? Your mom. I told her once he bidoro Igbo class and I told her to make sure that she's speaking Igbo. And you have to help her too. So when you're asking something, guys, so now if you want to ask your mom, how are you? What would you ask her?
Kedu.
Or you can say, Kedu ka I. So at least you know what is today. You add that word. Kedu ka I mere ta? Mama, kedu ka I mere ta? Can you say that, Angore?
Kedu
No, mama means mom. Mama.
Kedu ike ta.
Okay. Mama, kedu ka I mere ta? Go ahead, Angole. I will write it. Mama.
Mama. Kedu.
Kedu ka
Ka.
ị mere?
Imere.
Taa.
Ta.
Some people say tata. So, Mama, I will ask her, did Angole call you? Did she speak Igbo to you? Mama, kedu ka ị mere taa? Okay, Crystal, remember I said I want you guys to be at least every day to learn new, maybe a sentence or a word. I still want you guys to be doing that. Every day, if there's something you want to learn, either you record and send, did you say it right or how do I say it? Then I will tell you how to say it because I want you to be learning either 2 sentences a day or 2 words a day. 2 things, 2 new words or 2 new sentences that you want to know how to say it.
Okay.
Please, everybody, I want us to be doing that. Okay? But I must applaud you. You did a good job. You did a good job.
Thank you.
Christy has been upgrading every time. Christy, you're doing a good job too. So to walk, I think Christy did it already. Don't do that one again. You already did to walk, right?
Yeah.
So the ones that you haven't done, pick from them. You haven't done any of them. Just pick 5 that you're comfortable to do and then do it, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so are you sure you all don't have any question for me? Christy, do you have any question?
No.
Okay, so I'm expecting to get you guys new words or new, and also I may send some vocabulary out for you to pick some vocabularies. I will send a list of 10 vocabularies to help you guys know what they are. So when we conjugate, do something, you know how to make sentence with them, okay?
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to get this school, which school are you in?
University of Pennsylvania. UPenn.
Pennsylvania. Good. Jishike, what course are you doing?
I'm neuroscience pre-med.
Okay, good job, Jishike. And is this your first year?
No, I'm graduating in May.
Oh, you're graduating in May.
Yeah.
Jishike means hang in there, keep trying, okay? So when you hear somebody, Christian, she knows that already. You say, Jishike, keep doing it, okay? Good job. And you look like you're 14 years old.
I know, I get that a lot.
Yeah, you look very young. I thought you just started.
No.
Oh, wonderful, wonderful. I'm proud of you, okay?
Thank you.
Okay, don't miss class next week. Or if you're going to miss, let me know. But then the
Okay.
recording, we'll still send it out, okay?
Okay.
Okay, Christine, what ajụjụ?
Mhm.
Okay. Ngwa ka emesịa means see you next time. So next time, you'll be the one saying it. Ka emesịa.
Okay, Miss Yao.
And then I will say, cardio. All right, Crystal. Ngwa ka emesịa nụ kachifo.
Total.
Crystal. Crystal kachifo.
Ka-audio?
Call.
Call.
Yes, call. Kachifo means good night. Okay? All right. Ngwa, good night, everybody. Huh?
Kachifo.
Call. That's good.